Well, excuse the racket, standing in front of, well, the one I've driven here in. This is the reliable car, and this hasn't been started since middle of the 2020 lockdown. Yeah, Volvo 850 T5, Johnny Smith. I'm blaming you for this one, Mr. Late Break Show. Yeah, it's not gold yellow, but it is a 1998 T5 wagon, oak leather, black interior, black exterior, oak leather, heated seats, and it's the CD spec. So what have you got? Premium audio, 6-disc multi-changer in the boot, the kid seat and the folding armrest in the rear seats. So it's still a 5-seater, not a 7. Got the nice, there you go, 5-spoke alloy wheels, and yeah, can't wait. The plan is to get this thing on the road. As you can tell, I'll put another video on now, it fires up on a Brit brake cleaner, so let's give that a go now. Yeah, it's in pretty good nick around here. That strut brace is apparently worth a bit of money. There we go. Yeah, it's flammable and in an aerosol. Give it a good burst of that, and then we come around the back, open the door, excuse the noisy check strap, and let's see what happens. Well, to say she runs, that's probably a little overstatement, but she fires up on a bit of brake cleaner, doesn't sound too rattly, is spinning over. So next project, next time you see this, we'll be dragging it out of my friend's garden where it's lived for the last 4 years, 3.5 years, and yeah, dragging it over to my unit, get it up in the air, and get it running. So yeah, that's the project. Target is early 2025 to have this MOT'd, running, driving and working. There we go. Update to follow.